Army TGC 132 Online Recruitment 2020. So guys, you are watching this recruitment notification has been come, and so let's tell you the name of the post: Tactical Graduate Course 132, only for unmarried candidates. So let's see the details. Starting date is 28 July 2020 and last date is 26th of August 2020. So admit card will be available soon and exam date will also. So application fee, you're watching, there is no application fee. Age limit as on 1st July 2021, minimum should be 20 years or maximum 27 years. And age relaxation as per Indian Army rules. Total number of posts are 40. Vacancy details for Indian Army TGC 132 recruitment online form 2020. Course name technical graduate course. Stream wise vacancies for civil 10, architecture 1, mechanical 3, electrical and electronics 4, computer science and engineering, computer technology info, tech, MSc computer SC 9 post. So next, electronics and telecommunication electronics and communication satellite communication optoelectronics 6 post, aeronautical avionics 2 post, aerospace 1, nuclear technology 1, automobile 1, laser technology 1, industrial manufacturing 1 post. Important. So guys, there is given one important tip. This course is only for unmarried male applicants, those fulfilling the specified educational and age eligibility criteria. Pay scale is 56,500 per month. Educational qualification: candidates having engineering degree in relevant trade from AICTE approved college and institute will be eligible for this graduate course. So guys, you are watching, this is the graduate course which is by Indian Army, and after this course there is instant job which is uh, around which will give you around 56,500 salary. So if you are interested in Indian Army services, so you can apply for this post. You can apply for this post directly from this article. You can also download the notification to see full details again. So guys, I have given the link of this article in the description box. Visit the article and you will find apply online link like this you are watching here. You can also open this blog. You are watching highearningjobs.blogspot.com. Just search on Google highearningjobs.blogspot.com. You will find here all high earning jobs. So just watch this blog, apply to your dream job, and just grow in your life. That's it guys. I hope you like the video. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.